I'll show you how to add a comments form to your WordPress site. This feature allows visitors to engage with your content, leave feedback, and start discussions, making your site more interactive. Start by going to wordpress.com and logging in. For convenience, select Continue with Google and choose the account linked to your WordPress site. Once logged in, look for the Quick Links section on the right panel of your dashboard and click Edit Site to open the site editor. In the editor, click the Add button in the top left corner to open the block menu. Type Comments Form in the search bar and select it from the results. The comments form will now be added to your page. Congratulations! Your visitors can now leave comments on your content. Remember to moderate comments to prevent spam and maintain a healthy community. You can also customize the appearance of your comments form to match your site's design. In today's